You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it up.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Adena Monique, and in today's video we'll be installing this beautiful HD closer wig from Wiggins Hair Company. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and leave a comment at the end of the video and let me know if there's anything that I can work on or any content that you want to see. Alright, so I'm back. I went ahead and I actually did just do one layer of the spray after the mousse dried. I do like the tint that it's giving me, and then I did define my part with, I just used my MAC Pro Long Concealer in NC45, define my part, and it is definitely giving scalp. Let me go run and get my eyebrow razor. Cut this out. I'm watching a movie on Netflix. Probably hear it in the background. Like this. And I'm just gonna comb out the hairline. Although this kind of is how I want my hairline too far back, so I'm not gonna comb it out too much. And voila. I'm not gonna do any baby hair. No need for that. For the look that, like I said, I'm trying to achieve. I just want like the little beach wave look. I might put some, I'll put some of my bronzer on this small, like, little piece of lace that I can't quite cut off. But I like it. My wig is on, secured. I have my clips in as well, if anything, you know, happens or whatever, which I'm a bartender. It shouldn't be any instances with somebody trying to snatch me up. Now my comb getting stuck, so I'm just gonna step back a little bit. And yeah, so now we are going to style her. And as I told you guys earlier, I'm trying to go for like a loose, like beach wave look. I really like the 5x5. I think I might start getting the 5x5s. Even like, I think I tried like a 7x7 one time, and that was just too like big. But maybe it's just because I don't believe that I didn't get the right size like wig cap, so it wouldn't like, it wasn't tight enough, so it was like very loose and bulky to me. I actually still have it. It's one of my many wigs that I keep in my collection, because that's not doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna speed through this part because I'm just really talking around. Alright, you guys, so I finished wine curling both sides. It's not quite the beach curl wave I was looking for, but it's cool. It's just like a messy, just just wanted to look full and curly and messy. The beach curls would have worked if I would have just used my regular curling iron and dropped it. I was trying to do like the Aaliyah's face, like her method, but I can't do it with my wand. I probably can, but it would have just been too much work. If you could see like through the clip before, I was just grabbing pieces and wrapping it, letting it fall, not leaving it on for too long. And this is what I got. I like it. It's quick. This whole thing should have taken me about 20 to 25 minutes, but it's probably been about 45 minutes to an hour. No, it probably hasn't even been that long, but it has been quite some time because I had to keep getting up doing stuff. And I didn't show y'all this earlier, but I had to lean over to plug in my hot comb when I went and got it out the bathroom, and I had my wig cap on because it was drying. And my forehead touched the wall here, and then it got stuck. So I had to like redo my ball cap. That's why this side like was up, because I didn't like do it right the second time, because it was just like I knew that it was no point, because as you could see, like you could kind of see it on the sides, but that's fine because I could just pull that down. This side you can't see because it didn't tack all the way down, but I do like it. I'm probably gonna put some, let me see if I put the mousse on, if it'll tint this little piece, because it's like, it's really bothering me, the Virgo in me. But this gets this Lace Magic lace tint mousse. I don't know if it's okay. Magic Collection is the brand. It has to be. So this, I got it for $6.99 at Coco's Beauty Supply Store. It's in Country Club Hills on 183rd and Pulaski, next to one of the bars that I work at. So if you're in the Chicagoland area, I recommend you go to Coco's Beauty Supply Store and get this lace tint mousse. It was only $6.99. I really like it. It works really good. And then I use the Even Wonder Lace Bond in the Supreme hold with the extra firm Supreme, and this thing gets stuck down, and I only spray like one quick thin layer spray. So now I'm just gonna wipe the excess from my skin, and look at that. See, now it's all melted into place. I really like this. It's definitely serving scalp, you know. In my opinion, it's giving scalp. And I like it. Like, easy, protecting my edges while still getting that, you know, lace, new, fresh hair glow that I like so much. And it's just a way more convenient, because I don't know, like when I'm in my lace wigs, just the sides are always the first to come up. With this, I could peel it off. I could take it off whenever I want, or whatever the case may be. And it's very lightweight. I like the texture of the hair. I did not color it, so I kept it in this natural, like it's like a natural, like 1A, 1B, whatever. I think it's 1A shade. It's like a natural brown color, and I just like it. This hair is very, very soft, light, airy. For 180% density, it is really full, and I like that about it. And that's all. It did curl very well. It's like if I insert the clip of me curling, if y'all saw the way I was just quickly putting it on that wand, letting it fall, like, and for me, like, I've been tossing and flipping and all type of stuff. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. I'm not quite sure what it looks like back there, but yeah, so let's so bouncy, so curly, and I love it.